Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The 3D Explorer. My name is Sally, and if you're new here, this is where I'm going to be documenting my 3D printing journey as a beginner. If that is you and would like to join me, thank you so much. And if you're an expert and would like to share with us tips and tricks on how to improve our 3D printing experience, please make sure to do so in the comments below. Today's topic is going to be about probably the very first print that we all do, and that is the Benchy. So why the famous little boat? I'm going to be walking you through step by step on how to send that from Maker's World to the P1S combo, and I'm going to be discussing why the Benchy. So stick around. Okay, you will open your Bamboo Lab Studio. As you can see, we are in Maker World. So you're going to type on the search bar Benchy. And the very first one that is going to pop up right here, this is the one that we're going to use. As you can see, it has 113,000 downloads. So I'm going to select the P1S print profile, click on download and open. And then it's going to pretty much download it onto the plate. I will go ahead and make sure that on the upper part, I select P1S. And I do have a texture PEI plate, so I'll leave that as is. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the filament color that I'm going to use. Of course, we have to go with the, typical green, but of course, you can choose whatever filament color you would like. I'll go ahead and slice the plate right now. Wait for it to just go through the process. And then once it is done, again, we're not making any changes. This is going to be for calibration purposes. We will hit print plate. This is going to show the estimated time that it is going to take to print the Benchy and about how much filament it is going to consume. Make sure that you select your printer. For mine is P1S, and then click send. It is going to send the print job through the cloud service. It is going to tell you the percentage here. And then after this, your printer is going to start working. As you can see, the PLA green is selected on the right-hand side. It is starting to warm up. And over here, you can actually see the progress. Once the printer starts to create the Benchy, you will be able to see the progress there. Next, the printer is actually going to go through a series of calibration movements. This is to ensure that the print is actually going to come out as accurate as possible. The printer is going to start creating the very first layers, which are very intricate. To give you a little bit of history, the Benchy was actually created in April of 2015 by Creative Tools, and it is probably the most printed object. It tests the accuracy and capabilities of your 3D printer, as its design offers a large array of challenging geometric features. Now that our Benchy is ready, we're going to take it out and inspect it. At first sight, it seems to be a little bit stringy, but that's probably my fault, as I left the filament out in the open for about a night. I went on ahead and cleaned most of the stringing so that we can actually take a look at the different dimensions and finishes of the Benchy. The hull is a large, smooth, round, and overhanging surface that can reveal any surface deviations. The Benchy is perfectly symmetrical. If there are any skewness and warping, they will be easy to identify. The surface of the top deck, box, and chimney are planar. If they are printed correctly, they should be horizontal and parallel to the bottom surface. This addresses parallelism. The nameplate, just 0.1 millimeters in thickness, located in the center of the stern, contains letters that are less than 2 millimeters tall. This tests if your resolution settings are configured correctly. The chimney provides cylindrical shapes with inner and outer diameters. You'll see if there are any deviations in roundness. The cabin roof and arch side doors include complex geometry that will reveal overhanging issues, which are the Achilles heel of 3D printing. The Bose wheel offers a difficult-to-reach round and secluded feature. Finally, the letters at the bottom reveal any first-layer squashing issues. As you can see, the Benchy allows you to identify possible issues due to hardware and software settings. Use the Benchy to test and calibrate your 3D printer. For more information, visit www.3dbenchy.com. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, keep on exploring.